Okay, so those who don't know, this is my 1979 New Zealand ambulance. It's a CF Bedford. It was a actual working ambulance that's been converted to a camper many years ago. It was given to me by a friend of mine for doing work on his car. It doesn't have an engine and box. It still has live plates and they are on hold, and it is certified for a Nissan LD28 in auto. He blew a few engines up, and then I think for the last 10 or 11 years, it's basically just been his bedroom inside a workshop where he lived. So it's been dry stored most of its, well, definitely the last 10 or 11 years. And I've had it now for, I think, a couple of years. Maybe not even a couple of years, but getting close. And unfortunately, it doesn't fit in my garage, so it's been sitting on my front lawn underneath a caravan cover. But I will start doing some work on this soon. So have a look, enjoy. Cheers. What a beast, eh? Dirty old Rover. Look at the fucking state of it. Oh. Nice. What a minter. But that's all I want. Nissan's finest. Dirty old LD28 turbo. Well, not yet. But you will have one soon. It was even certified for it. Someone loved it at some point. It's got a bit of rust. But you know what? She ran, she drove, and she'll get the ambulance on the road. But that's all I want. That and the auto and anything else I can scavenge off it. Right, so that's the motor and the box. We've got a Nissan LD28 diesel, 2.8 diesel, and a 4-speed automatic. So the Bedford itself is already certified for an LD28, hence why one's going back in. I've never played with a diesel engine before, or, well, an LD28 or any diesel before, so it's a learning curve. It needs some work. You know, it's been sitting for a while. Inside here was caked in crap. This rust stain down here is because there is actually a frost plug. You can't really see it, but the frost plug is actually missing. It has run. It does turn over and starts and runs fine. You know, there's not really much that can go wrong with them. I have given it a bit of a clean. So as you can see, looking pretty good. The plan is I'm going to separate them. The box, I'll get some bits and give that a good service. The engine, I'm going to do the same. I'll get some gaskets, new frost plugs, water pump, all that sort of stuff. And then give it a good service. I'm not going to bother painting it or anything. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Just clean it up, give it a good service, get it all running. Because I don't know anything about these engines, I'm going to turbo this one as well. And after looking at this, I did look at maybe buying a turbo manifold, but it shouldn't be too hard just to make an adapter off this. And I got a few Evo turbos, and looking at this is divided pulse anyway. Well, it's like 2 sets of 3 into 2 into 1. So I could just make an adapter that goes from here to a flange for an Evo turbo. Like, here's a housing for an Evo turbo, and as you can see, they're divided pulses. So that there could just sit there quite nicely if I just make an adapter from the factory manifold to the top of that. And then the drain itself can just go straight into the top of here. That should work quite nice. So yeah, I'm going to intercool it. Like I say, I don't know anything about these, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve, but diesels seem pretty easy. You know, once they're running, they're running. There's obviously a glow plug that needs to be set up. The accelerator is on the actual pump itself. I did have a spare pump. I don't know what goes wrong with it, I'll find out, but it definitely needs gaskets, it needs frost plugs, it needs a water pump, it needs the coolant system fully flushed, all new hoses, new trans cooler, and should be good to go. So that's the plan. I'll try and free up a engine stand and put it on. I might have to brace the engine stand because that thing there weighs like fucking 9 moons. And then start stripping it. It's not going to be a fast project, but it's something I'll tick away with as I go. So that is the engine in box for Norman the ambulance. Thanks.